Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how to remove Apple ID without Apple ID password. So guys, if you are facing this type of issue, keep watching the video until then and follow all steps. So guys, if you want to remove your Apple ID, if you forgot your Apple ID password, this video is only for you. So guys, you can see appears on screen, sign out is not available due to restriction. Go back. So guys, follow all steps, tap on the settings, tap on Apple ID. You can see sign out is not available. Tap on the settings, little bit scroll up to find general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone, erase all content and settings. Tap on continue, tap on erase iPhone, enter your iPhone passcode. Enter your screen time passcode and reset your iPhone. After reset your iPhone, tap on the settings. Tap on the Apple ID. You can see sign out option is still not available. Go back. Tap on the settings. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on screen time. Little bit scroll up to find change screen time passcode. Turn off screen time passcode. You can see, go back, tap on the settings, tap on the Apple ID, again tap on settings, tap on the Apple ID. You can see sign out option is available. Tap on the sign out. You can see appears on screen sign out option is available. You can sign out your Apple ID without enter any password. Tap on sign out. Are you sure? It may take a minute to remove your iCloud data from this iPhone. Tap on sign out. You can see appears on screen removing iCloud data. Simply wait 10 to 15 seconds. This method is work on all iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. That's it. You can see Apple ID sign out successfully without any password. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to remove Apple ID without Apple ID password. If you have forgot your Apple ID password, that's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.